visit to Yogyakarta, we hooked up with yogyas.com, who took us to a less-known attraction at the time.
Pindul Cave is located at Gunung Kidul on the southeast part of Yogyakarta province.
I got a lamp on my head.
Now, cave tubing is the main activity here, and it requires gearing up and also a robot dance. Cave tubing is pretty easy. It's basically flowing down a river into a cave and sitting on rubber tubes.
I'm going 1 kilometer per hour. Or 10 meters per hour. So we're going into the Pindul cave, and Mas Dedi is pulling us.
Inside the cave, the guide explained about the formation of the cave and showed us the 4th biggest column in the world to date. He also told us about its mystical stories, such as drops from certain stalactite that can keep you young forever.
See you in heaven ya guys.
That I didn't have the guts to jump off any rock.
I'm
Yes,
chicken.
you are.
But chicken shit.
So as fun as it was at the cave, I was glad that we were moving on to Gethuk Waterfall.
Gethuk is located about half an hour from Pindul Cave. We really didn't know what we were getting into.
This is awesome. I wish I had one of these so I could go to school. I don't know how, I don't have a river, but it's just so cool.
Turns out we really like Gethuk Waterfall. It was more than we expected. We could play in the water, climb up the rocks, even sit under the waterfall and enjoy the mini rainbow.
Overall, we had a lot of fun at Gethuk Waterfall. Vira even decided to jump off a 1 meter high rock.
And I finally jumped. Although it was only 1 meter high, I crossed off one thing from my bucket list.
The day's almost over. It's cold. The sun is almost down. And we have yet to even talk to the guy. So this is Sasha. Isn't she fabulous? Gimana? Jogja sini tahu apa? Di Jogja ini tahu semua.
Semua, boleh dibilang tahu semua.
Catet tuh. Jadi banyak sebenarnya yang belum dieksplor ya. Jogja.
Banyak banget, khususnya di Gunung Kidul.
Oh, khususnya Gunung Kidul. Jadi di you like extreme sports or more outdoorsy stuff and you're in it, then Gunung Kidul is the place for you. And if you're bored with temples, well, you know who to call. Thank you, Yogyas, for the day, and we're sure to come back. And you are sure to stay away from Malioboro and stop shopping all the time when you come here. Alright?
Yogyas.com is a website all about Yogyakarta that we'd recommend to you should you plan any trip to Yogyakarta.
There is no better way to end a day full of fun and play than to have local food with extra spicy chili paste. Life is good.